Happy holidays. I'm Emmi Morgan, former professional model, actress, beauty research director, and founder of emmiSKIN Palm Beach. And if you're like me, in your late 50s, and you want to fight age and stay as young looking as you can, as long as you can, there's no better gift during the holidays than to give yourself and those you care about the gift of skin that looks and feels 10 years younger. This is why my team of medical experts and I created a line of super duper powerful age-defying products to help you look 10 years younger overnight and stay that way for years to come. On Black Friday from 6 a.m. until midnight, our overnight facelift collection is 20% off. Plus, you'll get a free full-size Hello Beautiful gift tote. This is normally $279 for this collection and the tote, but on Black Friday only, it's $199. We also have our non-surgical body treatment duo creams to plump and lift your middle-aged butt and get rid of unwanted cellulite, regularly $120 on sale for $99. And finally, we're giving 10% off our entire shop all Black Friday weekend. Just go to emmiSKIN.com and click on the shop tab. To you and those you care about, from all of us at emmiSKIN Palm Beach, happy holidays.